Welcome to Cooking with John, the cooking show where I show you half the steps of how to cook something that looks really good. Today I'm going to be cooking a St. Louis style rib from meatstew.com with the dry rub that I've concocted out of those ingredients right there. I'm just mixing the dry rub. Here's a St. Louis style rib. Now I'm going to cut these ribs into 3 pieces like so. And now to pack on the dry rub. Don't be stingy with the dry rub. If somebody's afraid of it being too flavorful, lock them in your bathroom and call the cops. Now when you're done applying the dry rub, this is what it should look like. Bye-bye. Now it's time to be vacuum sealed. Vacuum seal all the pieces, stick them in your sous vide at 152 degrees for 2.5 hours. Be careful, that water's hot. Look at it bubbling. Now when it's done in the sous vide, set it on a rack. Drizzle it with some honey, and pop it in the broiler. Broil for about 10 minutes. To finish it off, sprinkle it with some brown sugar, bust out your favorite torch, and just go to town. And that is a St. Louis style rib from meatstew.com with the dry rub. From John.